Welcome to our favorite channel, UN Autonomous College of Science and Technology digital class. In last video, we are discussed about the introduction of a probability. What is the terminology of a probability? Now we enter to the probability. Here we discuss mainly about probability measure and random variable and probability distribution. Last one is distribution function. First of all, we discuss about what is probability measure, how a probability measure. The main thing is that there are three conditions. If we take a sample space S, if S is the sample space and A is the any event, A is any event and S is the sample space. If we take a statistical experiment, the sample space is a S and A is the event. If probability of any event must be non-negative, that means probability of any event, any arbitrary event in a sample space greater than equal to 0 is the first measure. The second thing is that probability of all the events, all elementary events, if we take A1, A2 are the elementary event, so all the elementary events must be equal to 1. That means whole the sample space, probability of whole sample space is equal to 1. Sum of a probability of any elementary event. If we take S is the union of A1, union A2, union A3 like this. A1, A2, A3 are the elementary events in the sample space S. Then probability of a union of AI is equal to 1. That means sum of probability is equal to 1. The second measure. The third measure is that if A and B are any two events in the same sample space S, A and B are the any two events, and A and B are mutually exclusive, that means A intersection B is equal to phi. Then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. That means if A and B are two mutually exclusive event, then probability of their union is equal to probability of their sum. These three conditions qualify the probability measure. First thing is that probability of any event is non-negative. Probability of union of all elementary event in a sample space is equal to 1. That means the sum of probability is equal to 1. And if A and B are two mutually exclusive event, means A intersection B is equal to phi, then their union is equal to their addition. Union of probability of A union B by probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. If a probability satisfy these three conditions, so we call that it is probability measure. That means it is entry to probability. The next thing is random variable. What is random variable? Random variable is a function. Over a sample space S. Generally, it is written as we represent as capital X. It is the real valued function. Random variable is a real valued function over the sample spaces of a statistical experiment. For example, 3 tosses of a balanced coin. If a coin toss 3 times, the number of heads may be 3, may be 2, may be 1, may be 0. So, what is random variable? Random variable is the second layer. We know that the sample space, if we toss a fair coin 3 times, the size of a sample space S is 8. The elements of the sample space are written, the 3 H and HST, HTH, TSH, HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. These are the elements of the sample space. When we toss a balanced coin 3 times, then these are the elements. If we assign or we develop another thing, that is random variable on the sample space. If we call or we will say, if the number of heads in this case, so it is called as a random variable. So, random variable is a function which is a real valued function on the sample space S, and for example, here x is the, in this example, the random variable is the number of heads. Random variable is the, here number of heads is equal to random variable. So, we discuss about in this example probability measure and also random variable and probability distribution. If the sample space is the 3 tosses of a balanced coin, the elements of a sample space are 8, that means size of sample space is 8. What the probability of each elementary event? These 3 are independent events. When we toss a coin, so the probability of head is half. In the second time tossing, it does not depend on the first toss, so it is independent. The probability of each head is equal to half into half into half is 1 by 8. Similarly, in all these cases, the probability is 1 by 8. So, each elementary event, so size of sample space is 8. So, there are 8 elements of this sample spaces. Elements, the probability is 1 by 8 in each case. Here is a 3 heads, so it is written as 3. Here is 2 heads, it is 2. Here 1 is tail and 2 heads. The random variable is the number of heads in the sample space. So, it is 2. There are 3 times. Here is 2, another is 2 and the last one also 2. And the 3 times it is number of heads is 1. First of all is 1, first is head and the second 2 is tail. So, number of head is 1. If we first time is tail, second time is head and last is tail, so it is head. The last case all are tail, so number of head is 0. So, in the second level we discuss about the number of heads. This number of heads is called as a random variable. So, what is random variable? Random variable is a real valued function and deals with a sample space. So, the number 3, 2, 1, 0 are called random variable. That means it is a real number. The random variable is 2 types. One is discrete random variable, discrete random variable, discrete random variable, and second one is continuous random variable. So, what is discrete random variable and what is continuous random variable? Discrete random variable, if a random variable is countable or one-to-one corresponds to the whole number w, so it is countable, or it is one-to-one corresponds to natural number n, That means if we count a random variable, here in this case the number of heads may be 0, number of heads may be 1, number of heads may be 2, 3. So, these are countable, we can count the number. If a random variable contain infinite number of elements and one-to-one correspondence with the whole number or one-to-one correspondence to natural number n, then the random variable called as discrete random variable. Discrete means discontinuous. Discontinuous, for example, in x-axis it is 0, first it is 0, then it is 1 and 2. If the natural number n contain 1, 2, 3 like this element, so it is discrete element, that means discontinuous. In number line it is a point, 1 is a point, in some gap there is some gap, next is 2, so it is discontinuous. If random variable or the number of heads in a sample space in this example, so it is discontinuous, so it is called a discrete random variable. Discrete random variable, it depends upon two things, if it is countable or if it is infinite. So one-to-one correspondence to the natural number n or the whole number w. So what is one-to-one correspondence? If the whole number or natural number n, then the elements of a natural number 1, 2, 3 like this, here the number of heads may be 0, may be 1, if you take w, so it is 0, so maybe 2, maybe 3, so these are countable. So one-to-one correspondence between the set and the number, so it is discrete random variable. For example, if a car travel from one place to another, the distance covered from time t is equal to 0 to time t is equal to 30 minutes. So the instantaneous distance is continuous, so it cannot be countable, so it is continuous random variable. That means the set of real numbers is continuous, so it is continuous random variable. That means it is uncountable. We can count the random variable or we cannot list serially, so it is continuous random variable. If we count, so it is discrete random variable. That means if you count, so it is one-to-one correspondence to the set of natural numbers n, so it is discrete random variable. In this example, the random variable is discrete. The third one is probability distribution. What is probability distribution? If you distribute a probability in a similar manner or in a perfect way, so it is called distribution, probability distribution. Probability distribution is a function. Probability distribution is a function. It is represented as fx. It is represented as fx. Probability distribution is fx. That means x is the random variable and small x is the element of random variable. In this example, 0, 1, 2, 3 are the elements and the total set is the random variable, number of heads. Number of heads may be 0, may be 1, may be 2, may be 3. This is random variable, but each element is taken as small x. So the probability distribution is equal to probability of each element of a random variable. Probability of a random variable is x, for example 0, 1, 2, 3. So this function is called as probability distribution. So probability distribution is a function which is equal to the probability of a element of the random variable. In this example, here the random variable is 3, but in 3 cases the random variable is 2. That means 2 heads in the 3 elementary events. It is also 3 that the random variable is 1. Here the probability distribution. In the first case, there are 3 heads, so random variable 3. So distribution, probability distribution f of 3, probability distribution we call as f of 3 is equal to probability of XL3, that is 1 by 8. Already we have find that 1 by 8 is the probability. In this case, it is not probability is 1 by 8, it is also 1 by 8, it is also 1 by 8, but the 3 are probability of x is equal to 2. That means the probability distribution of 2 is equal to probability of XL2. What is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 to 1 by 8, so 3 by 8. In the third case, if the random variable is 1, that means 1 head. So what is the probability? It is also sum of 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, so 3 by 8. That means f of 1. Last one is probability of no heads, that means f of 0. F of 0 also f of 0 is equal to probability of XL0 1 by 8. The probability is 1 by 8. So we assign the probability for random variable like 1 by 8, next one is 3 by 8, so third one is 3 by 8, the fourth one is 1 by 8. So it is we distribute the probability, the value of probability in different manner. So it is the probability distribution. Next one is distribution function. What is the distribution function? Distribution function is represented by capital Fx. Capital Fx. Here we discuss about the probability distribution and the distribution function in discrete random variable. We discuss about on the discrete random variable because the example is depends upon the discrete random variable. So here the Fx is equal to the probability of a random variable x less than equal to x. It is similar. Here the probability distribution, we have small fx and that is equal to probability of x equal to x. But distribution function is capital Fx and it is the probability of x less than equal to x. The difference is equal to is less than equal to. So it is also function. What is the? It is also called as distribution function, also called as cumulative probability by cumulative function. So what is in this example? F of capital F of 0, capital F of the probability of x, capital X less than equal to 0. So it is 1 by 8 only. The last one is 1 by 8. So f of 1 equal probability of x less than equal to 1. So it is f of 0 plus f of 1. Probability of 0 plus f probability of 1. The last one is distribution function. Random variable is x. It is a number. Anything else? It is a number. Probability distribution is a function within the range of the random variable. So probability of a random variable. So what is distribution function? Distribution function is represented as capital F of x and it is equal to probability of x, that means random variable, less than equal to a real number x. Here the distribution probability distribution is equal to the probability of x equal to x, but it is probability of x less than to x and it is equal to the summation of f of t, summation of f of t. So it is called as cumulative function. Distribution functions also called as cumulative functions because they accumulate all the functions less than equal to x. So, here t is the another variable. So, t minus infinity to plus infinity, that means is the element of the random variable. For example, in this example, the tossing of a 3 fair coin or 3 times toss of a fair coin. What is the capital F of 0? 0 means the number of heads is 0. So, it is F of 0. We have found that it is 1 by 8. Already calculated, it is 1 by 8. So, F of 0 is 1 by 8. What is F of 1? It is cumulative. That means 0 and 1, because x less than equal to 1. Less than equal to 1 means 1, 0, both. So, F of 0 plus F of 1. So, 1 by 8. So, summation of F of t, that means the number and the less than numbers, F of 0 plus F of 1. It is a discontinuous discrete random variable. If it is continuous, so it is other things. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So, it is 4 by 8, 1 by 2. What is F of capital F of 2? So, F of 0 plus F of 1 plus F of 2. So, cumulative. So, F, it is F x less than equal to 2. X less than 2 means 0, 1, 2. So, it is 7 by 8. Last one, F of 3. What is F of 3? So, F of 0 plus F of 1 plus F of 2 plus F of 3. So, 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 1. So, distribution function represent in generally for this example, it is F of x, capital F of x. So, capital F of x is 0. That means when the random variable less than 0, that means the minimum number of heads in the tossing of a 3 balanced coin, or a balanced coin tosses 3 times. So, number of heads less than 0 is nothing else. So, it is impossible. So, it is 0. When number of heads is 0 and less than 1 means equal to 0, because it is discontinuous. So, it is 1 by 8, the value is 1 by 8. When the random variable is 1, that means number of heads less than equal to 1 is 0 or 1. So, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Similarly, 7 by 8, x less than equal to 2 greater than equal to less than equal to x and less than 3. So, 7 by 8 and last one greater than equal to 3. Maximum number of heads is 3. So, 3 or more number of heads in this example is 1. So, this representation is the distribution function. Thank you all.